Health benefits of green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages you can put in your body. It can help you focus, fight aging, and even give you an energy boost. You've probably heard a lot about green tea benefits and how it is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that are great for your body and mind. 10 green tea benefits for your body and mind. Number 1. Weight loss. While green tea is a common ingredient in weight loss products, it's not a miracle cure. In several studies, scientists have concluded that green tea benefits for weight loss are only slight. However, green tea does contain caffeine, which can boost your energy level and may prompt you to get moving. Also, go right ahead and exchange your high-calorie, sugary soda for a cup, or 2 or 3, of green tea. Removing excess sugar from your diet, along with increasing your physical activity and eating hard healthy foods, can help you shed those extra pounds. Number 2. Lower risk of heart disease. Scientists believe that green tea works on the lining of blood vessels, helping keep them stay relaxed and better able to withstand changes in blood pressure. It may also protect against the formation of clots, which are the primary cause of heart attacks. One study found that, in general, coffee and certain types of teas, including green tea, reduce the risk of death from cardiovascular disease. Number 3. Green tea may fight certain cancers. After all, we all know someone who has been affected by cancer and may have even faced it ourselves. So, to know that green tea may fight cancer is a pretty big incentive to add it to your day. The types of cancer that may be prevented are pretty numerous, too, including mouth, kidney, pancreas, stomach, and mammary glands, among others. Number 4. Lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of green tea is thought to reduce the risk of high blood pressure. One literature review found that several studies concluded that green tea significantly reduces both systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. Number 5. Depression. While several studies have shown that a higher consumption of green tea leads to lower levels of depression in elderly individuals, more human trials are needed to determine the way green tea influences depressive symptoms. In one study on mice, green tea polyphenols were shown to have antidepressant-like effects, suggesting that the same could be true in humans. Number 6. Green tea may help boost your mood and improve mental function. Drinking a beverage you enjoy is often an effective pick-me-up, and drinking green tea has some scientific reasoning behind that mood improvement. Not only can green tea influence your mood, it may also have benefits for mental function, including improved memory, increased alertness, and reduced anxiety. Scientists think the caffeine in green tea plays a role in these positive effects, but note that it's not likely a single compound. Number 7. Inflammatory skin conditions. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties. A review of human clinical studies trusted source in both cellular and animal experiments found that green tea and its major component, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, EGCG, have demonstrable anti-inflammatory effects. A 2019 analysis trusted source of tea extract used in cosmetics supported this. The researchers determined that solutions including tea extracts promoted anti-inflammatory responses when applied topically. They also found that skin microcirculation improved in the affected areas. Number 8. Green tea protects against bone loss. Studies show that drinking green tea may stimulate mineralization which generates bone formation. Bone loss may be improved, and there may be added protection against osteoporosis because of the strengthening of the bones. Number 9. The antioxidants in green tea help repair cell damage due to oxidative stress. The DNA in your body's cells can be damaged by free radicals, which cause oxidative stress. However, it's well known that antioxidants can help repair this damage, and the polyphenols in green tea are antioxidants that help bolster your body's ability to neutralize free radicals and repair cell damage. Number 10. Drinking green tea may reduce the risk of early death for people with diabetes. A recent study of nearly 5,000 Japanese people with type 2 diabetes showed that those who drank green tea had a reduced risk of early death, and the more tea they drank, the greater the benefit. Participants who drank 4 or more cups of green tea per day lowered their risk of dying early by 40%, and even those who drank less still saw some reduced risk. The study also showed that participants who drank 4 or more cups of green tea along with 2 or more cups of coffee saw a 63% lower risk of early death.